Good morning, everybody. It's Candace. This is Saturday, October the 24th, I believe, today. Got another slow cooker video for you guys. I am doing my 24-hour marinated New Zealand spring lamb. So what I did yesterday when I got this delivered, I had, here I'll come a little closer for you all to see it. I had put my lamb in a Ziploc bag and I marinated it with some lovely red wine called Open. It's quite a nice little Cabernet Merlot and not a bad price either. I think I paid $11 for that. So overnight it's just been sitting in the fridge marinating away. So what I did was I just took it out of the bag and put a little bit of fresh wine in a dish here just to give it a little bit of extra flavor. Seasoned it with some salt and pepper and fresh parsley from the garden. And I also got this stuff as well. It's Western Family Italian herb seasoning paste, so it's quite good. It smells really good as well. So I'm just gonna let that rest for a little while and I'm gonna throw it in the slow cooker. And I also have red potatoes. I'm gonna do red smashed potatoes as well. And I'll just go over here and I will also be including some Granny Smith apples and some nibblet corn. I think a few other veggies as well. So that is our Saturday so far. It's around 9:30 in the morning. So of course, as always, I will be sure to film later on. And I'll just give a little tour of our place this morning. I'm going to be setting our table. I got it decorated for Halloween. I can't believe we're almost at the end of October. And look what we got outside yesterday. Here, I'm going to come out and show you guys. We had a record-breaking winter wonderland. Look at all this white stuff. And it's supposed to get up to plus 11 by Thursday, but right now you can see this city is just blanketed with snow. So that's the first for quite a while, actually. So there's a little screenshot for you guys of all the snow. So I'm gonna head back inside. It's a little bit chilly out. So that is that, and what else is going on? Yeah, it's getting towards the end of a crazy month. I will show you my place later on, decorated for Halloween, and all that good stuff. Got the Carpenters on the old TV there, and got a little goblin just hanging out, chilling out on the couch. Got the fireplace on, which is perfect for a October day. I want to say winter, but we're not into winter yet, even though it does feel like it. And I've got a little candle here that have a little cling on pumpkin that I got from Dollarama, of course. So that is that. So that's just a quick little tour of what is going on this morning. Another slow cooker video, as it were. I will keep in touch later on during the day just to let you guys know how the progress is going. And as always, I will leave a link down below with a slow cooker that I got on Amazon for you guys and all the ingredients I used as well. So that is that. I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy, and we will talk soon. Okay, bye for now. Good afternoon, all. Just doing a check-in. It's a little after 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So our lamb is just simmering away. It smells delicious. What I did was I just added a pinch of Liam Perrins or Worcestershire sauce, and in the meantime, in the microwave, I just have my smashed potatoes going. And what I do is I have red potatoes. I dice them all up and I put them in the microwave for 20 minutes. It makes them really soft and easy to mash. And then I am going to mash them all up, and I'm also going to add, what do we have here? Skinny cow cheese, and that makes it really tasty. So I'm gonna add a couple of slices of skinny cow cheese to our mashed potatoes tonight, or I should say smashed potatoes. And I'm gonna dice some onions and put them in the slow cooker as well. So everything is coming along. Let's take a look here. I got the table all set for this evening. So that's all done with a little fall pumpkin as the centerpiece. And I also got this guy at Amazon. So it's just a light up mummy, as it were. And what I will do is I will leave the link down below in the description box to where I got that little guy from. And I also got this cute little spider down here from Dollarama. So he's just sitting in the corner chilling out. And we still have quite a bit of snow outside. I'll just take you guys over for a wander here, and you can see out my kitchen window all of that snow. So that is that for now. Oh, there's a little glimpse of the hot tub. That is that for now. I will check in later on, probably around 5 o'clock or so. Hope you guys are doing well, staying safe and healthy, and of course warm. Talk to you soon. Bye for now. Good afternoon. This is just one last check-in. I'll do one more before we serve. It's around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see our lamb is just simmering away along with the onions, nibblet corn, and Granny Smith apples. So that is our Saturday night meal, along with our smashed potatoes that are resting in the fridge. And I think I'll just do a little bit of broccoli, as it were, on the side also, just for another little dish. So that's just a little sneak peek of our Saturday dinner. You can see right in there the lamb. It's absolutely delicious. I have done this meal a few times before, and it's always turned out really well. So I will leave the recipe, of course, in the description box. It's very easy to follow, and with these kind of recipes, especially slow cooker recipes, you can always modify it to your own need and your own taste, and away you go. And of course, you don't have to use the same bottle of wine that I used to marinate my lamb. You can use whatever red wine that is to your liking. So that is our Saturday dinner, as it were, and I'll just give you one more little sneak peek for our evening ahead. As I mentioned before, the table is all set and ready to go. Got some jazz music on the TV, fireplace on, and the lights and all of that good stuff. And I will also leave a link down below, and I'll show you guys where I got these battery operated lights from. I believe I bought them from Amazon, so I will put them in a link in the description box. And there's one of my paintings that I did a few years ago now, actually, and I will also put a link up on my website as well, should you be interested in purchasing any of my artwork. So that is that. There's the fireplace, little candles flickering away, and we are good to go for our Saturday evening and night ahead. Okay, everybody, I will do one last check-in, of course, later on. And you guys have yourself a great rest of your weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye for now. So this is our final check-in for the day. Just thought I'd give you guys one last little glimpse of our meal for this evening. So I just got my meat thermometer out, and I just tested our lamb. So it is done. I always like to do that just to be on the safe side, even though it has been cooking all day. So that is good to go. So there is our lamb ready for Saturday night. And in the meantime, while that's just simmering away, I'm just getting our bar area set up for the evening with a few drinks and cocktails in hand, of course, always at the Bennett household. Okay, you guys, you have yourself an awesome Saturday evening wherever you are in the world, and we will talk next week. Take care. Bye for now.
1.5?
Yes, please.
You got a rich one.
Candace,
Yeah?
and I'll get you to put 2 serviettes out with people, because this bruschetta is very juicy.
Yeah.
The olive oil on it.
Hi. Good.
This looks great.
Thank you.
But you didn't notice the drapes. I thought you would have noticed them right
I was
off.
too busy cooking dinner and,
Oh. Oh, well, you'll learn to multitask eventually.
no, they look good.
And it didn't cost me anything.
Yeah.
You know,
Now they are softer.
they're softer and they don't look as white. You know, they... Right, here's a spoon for that if you want, and then you can use the same. How's that? Okay, everything's
That sounds
turned
good.
off, so
Yeah.
I'm moving out of here. Tiny bit for me, dear, please. There we go, perfect.
No more drinks for Mom.